Hey, welcome to our channel. How are you guys? Hope you all are fine. If you like our videos, then share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Today GoPro announces its latest camera, the Hero 12 Black. This update is mainly focused on user experience, with a little focus on professional users and developers. Perhaps the most exciting new feature for regular GoPro users of his is probably the extended battery life. The company claims up to double the runtime compared to its predecessor. Battery life has been an issue for a long time, so I'm curious to see how it actually holds up. There are many new capture modes and 8:7 full sensor capture is now widely available, including for the first time warp mode and night effects mode. Recording in 8:7 format allows you to stamp different aspect ratio content from the same source material while maintaining high resolution. The camera's HDR mode has also been optimized to better handle mixed lighting conditions. Hypersmooth, GoPro's in-camera stabilization feature, is now in its 6th iteration, and it's been stable since the beginning, so I'm curious to see what difference it actually makes for pros, or those who want to become pros. Two newcomers will be of particular interest. First, there's the GoPro version of the logarithmic recording mode, GP Log. This gives you more flexibility in color grading in post-production. Second, there is additional timecode synchronization. So if you shoot with multiple GoPro Hero 12s, you can easily sync them for seamless editing in post. There are also many interesting updates for creators. Interestingly, the Hero 12 Black now works with his Bluetooth headsets, including AirPods, for both playback and recording. Video can now be played back through the Bluetooth headset mic and mixed with the camera mic recording if desired. You can also use GoPro voice activation with your headset, opening the door to more creative shots without having to be near the camera or using an app or remote accessory. The second user-friendly feature is vertical recording. You can always hold your GoPro at a 90-degree angle, and recent models can rotate the menu for ease of use. Now you can easily enable portrait mode even if your camera is placed horizontally. It uses the new sensor introduced in Hero 11. This sensor is large enough to capture full 9:16 vertical video at 4K/30 FPS without having to remount or reorient the camera. If it's important for others to know you have a modern camera, the Hero 12 Black has a modeled faceplate that differs from the usual monochrome design, so go for it this year. Would be a little easier. But there is one more physical change that long-term users will appreciate. The camera has a regular tripod mount, 1/4 20 screw, built into it between the flip-out fingers on the bottom. For the other camera accessories you have on hand, you no longer need an adapter. The final change this time around is that GoPro appears to have stopped signing up for its cloud subscription service in order to keep camera prices low. Hero 12 Black is simply $400 for everyone. Pre-orders start today and the camera will be available on September 13th.